Hi, everybody. It's Sarah Griffith. I'm a holistic health educator here in Irwin, PA, and I'm excited to share with you more details about the next upcoming workshop that I'll be hosting. This is going to take place on January 19th from 6 to 7 p.m., and this workshop is going to be a really fun one. It's going to be very hands-on, and I'm going to be talking to you about lymphatic health, and it's in particular lymphatic drainage, and sharing with you different holistic skincare tools and techniques and even products that I use in my own life to better support my lymphatic system. So in this workshop from me, what you can expect to learn is, like I said, just kind of like an intro to your lymphatic system, how it works, what it's doing, how it's helping with your overall health. And then from there, I will do a little bit of teaching where I'm going to show you how I use these different tools that better support my lymphatic system. So I will be teaching you how to do dry brushing. I think that's something that for some people can feel intimidating. Like they maybe know that they should use dry brushing, but they don't really know how to do it correctly, or they don't really understand the benefits. And so I'm going to do a walkthrough with you on dry brushing. I'm going to show you how I use it very often throughout my week. I'm going to also teach you a couple different techniques to really help with the lymphatic system in your face. And so we're going to talk about gua sha. I'm going to show you how to do it, how I do it on my own skin. And I'm also going to teach you one of my favorite skincare rituals, and that's facial cupping. So I'll teach you how I do facial cupping and how you can do it to yourself. And I will also just share with you some products that I personally use. These are not products that I'm selling. They're just products that I have vetted myself and that I use to better maintain my skin, but also still honor my health. These products are all definitely fall in line with a holistic approach to skincare. So these would be alternatives to some of the options that you might go and get at a med spa. And so I'll just share with you what I do and how you can implement it and teach you so that you leave feeling much more confident and informed about lymphatic health and holistic skincare tools. Make sure that you pre-register in advance so that I know that you're coming, but I look forward to this one. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to meet you in the workshops.